how to delete these empty rows in the tables in the Excel spreadsheet. So if you have a tables right here, if you select here to delete, then you will find the column D was deleted too. So we need to select this area, then Control X to a new spreadsheet, then paste here. So in these tables, original tables, we need to select empty rows, select A1 and press the keyboard with Shift, then select right down corners here, then the whole tables was select. So we need to home and select shortest feeders, then we will find filters. Then in the filters, here is a filters, so we need to select here to the last one was blank. We need to select all and select blanks, then click OK. In the OK, here was 3 empty lines was filtered, so you move the mouse to the right, to the left here, to then select. First, hold your mouse to the right, to the down, to the bottom, then right click here, then you will find a delete rows. That click here, then empty rows was delete, then refresh filters. So click here, click select all, then click OK, then you will find empty rows was delete. So we need to new spreadsheet, then select here Control X, then here to paste it. It's all down here.